bring to you this short, quick video on how I make this into a puff. My hair is long. This is my actual hair. But I want to show you how I can turn this into a nice, juicy puff. Watch this. Okay, I started with my first clip in, and as you saw, it has clips attached to the weft. Each one of the clip-ins that I'm going to put in my hair has 2 clips attached. So what I did is I'm parting my hair, and it doesn't have to be straight, and I'm placing that clip-in away from my face, meaning I want the clips that are attached to lay flat, so it's kind of going backwards. Now I'm starting on my second part. I'm going to lay that clip in the exact same way I did the first one. So when I clip that in, it's facing going towards the back. I want that to lay flat as well. I'm putting the third extension in, and this too has 2 clip-ins. And I'm clipping it in toward the front because I want it to lay a different way than I did the other 2. I'm putting the band across my head to secure my hair so that it won't fall. Taking one bobby pin, and I'm going to attach that to the front as I push that band to my desired spot. And I'm going to repeat that. This is the second one. I'm pulling that band up to my spot, and I'm going to secure that with a bobby pin as well. And I'll fluff as I go. And I'm going to put in the third bobby pin. I push the band up. This allows me to have a bigger puff. And I'm going to repeat it for the back. So what I'm doing here is that I'm using the last pin, and I'm going to secure the back of the band. None of these pins are running into the clips. So now I'm just puffing and puffing away. Wait, that doesn't sound right. As you can see, the sides, like close to the nape and around my ears, is short because I have a tapered cut and I'm letting it grow out. If I don't do my hair like this, I will chop it off. So now I'm going to gel my hair up, tie it up, let it sit for a minute, and then I'll be done. Those waves will make you seasick. Just pulling out my little curls, making sure everything's okay. And that's my natural puff.